are two different things. What's wrong with you? Enough, I'm going to the class right now. I'm hanging up.
Teacher, what are you angry at?
I told my friend that soap and detergent are two different things, but she said it is the same thing.
So, why don't you explain to her?
Oh, I don't really know about it.
Oh, okay, let me explain it to you. Soap comes from neutralization between fatty acid and alkali, while detergent is no soap cleaning agent. It is made from petroleum fraction and it contains sulfonic acid and sodium salt.
I don't understand what are you talking about?
Let me show you. In this video, we are going to see the differences between soap and detergent. So, what is soap? In a strictly chemical sense, soaps are the compound formed by the reaction of fatty acid with an alkali. So today, let me explain a bit information about general formula of soap. General formula of soap is combination between fatty acid and alkali. Fatty acid is came from carboxylic acid with alkali such as sodium hydroxide with potassium hydroxide. So let's take a look. One example of general formula of soap. For the example, RCOO minus Na plus. R is represent of long chain of carbon. Here is the full general formula of soap. It is contain hydrophobic tail and hydrophilic head. Enough with the soap, let's move on to detergent. What is detergent? Detergent is a non-soap that used for cleaning. Detergents are usually made from synthetic sources such as petroleum fraction. It is also contains sodium salt and sulfonic acids such as alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. This is general formula of detergent which contains RNaO3S. So now, let's take a look for the preparation of the soap and detergent. Preparation of soap. Soap is prepared through a chemical process called saponification, where a fat or oil reacts with a strong base like sodium hydroxide. This will produce soap and glycerol. The first step on making soap is heat the oil or fat. Next, add sodium hydroxide and NaOH solution. Third is saponification occur. Fourth, cool and mold the soap mixture. And the last one, purify and cure the soap by washing. Next is preparation of detergent. Detergents are made by synthesizing raw materials like alkyl benzenes and sulfuric acid. The steps on making detergent starts with react alkyl benzenes with sulfuric acid to form alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. Next is neutralize with sodium hydroxide to create detergent. Third, blend with other ingredients such as enzyme and fragrance. Fourth, formulate into powder, liquid, or tablets. And the last one, detergent is packaged for consumers' use.
As you already know what is soap and detergent, have you ever wondered on how do they work? Before going on to that topic, let me explain to you about emulsifying agent. Firstly, what is emulsifying agent? Emulsifying agent is a substance that allows two liquids that normally don't mix to combine in a suspension. Basically, this process is called emulsification. Soap and detergent are actually emulsifying agent. This is because the molecular structure of soap and detergent that contains both hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts allows them to surround and encapsulate oil droplets in water, effectively mixing two normally immiscible liquids together and creating a stable emulsion. And this is the structure of soap and detergent, which include hydrophilic head that is soluble in water and hydrophobic tail that is soluble in grease. Chemically, when soap and detergent dissolve in water, sodium or potassium ion and soap and detergent anion are produced. Now, let's move on to the most awaited topic, the cleansing action of soap and detergent. To start it off, by adding soap or detergent into the water will cause the surface tension of water to decrease and gradually increase the water ability to wet the clothes. This soap and detergent will ionize in water to produce freely moving soap anions or detergent anions. The hydrophilic part of the soap or detergent will dissolve in water, while the hydrophobic part will dissolve in grease on the clothes. The movement of water during scrubbing will cause the grease to be pulled away from the surface of the clothes. The grease will float in water and break into small droplets. This grease will not reattach because of the repulsion of negative charge between soap or detergent anion. The droplets will be suspended in water, forming emulsions. Rinsing it with water will cause the surface of the clothes to become clean. What do you think about the cleansing action of soap and detergent? Interesting, right? However, what are the differences between soap and detergent?
Okay, so let's see the difference between soap and detergent. The highlights of the topic is divided by two, which is the difference between soap and detergent and also additives in detergent. First of all, soap is made from natural resources such as alkalis and fatty acid, while detergent is made from synthetic materials including alkalis and alkyl sulfonic acids. Soap is less effective in clear water due to the formation of slush, where detergent work better. However, there is also impact on the environment based on our usage of soap and detergent. Soap is more eco-friendly and easily decomposed by bacteria, but detergent is less eco-friendly and not easily decomposed by bacteria. Let's take a closer look. Soap is gentle on most fabrics and can leave clothes feeling soft. However, in hard water, soap may form a residue called scum. Detergents are powerful cleaners and remove stains effectively, even in hard water. By understanding their effects, you can make better choice and keep your product looking fresh for years to come. For your information, there is several additives contained in detergent to enhance its performance. Detergent contains biological enzymes. It breaks down fat and protein molecules in food waste. Other than that, detergent also contains bleaching agent. It turns dirt into a colorless substance. Moreover, optical brightener also contained in detergent. It makes the fabric brighter and also whiter. There is also builder that softens clear water that included in detergent. Not only that, detergent also contains anti-sediment or anti-caking agent. It prevents dirt particles from reattaching to clean clothes. Detergent also contains foam control agent that prevents excessive foam formation. Last but not least, detergent contains drying agent to ensure the detergent powder is dry.